So if you're wondering what type of grease I use to lube up my tire machine, this is general purpose grease. And I just grab the big blob, plop it down, and just kind of spread it around all these areas that move. Like that one, over here, over here. And then grab all that cake mess right there, and then put it on there, on there, on there, on there, a little bit on here, a little bit on there. And the table's all rusted because this little hole in the wall leaks, which is okay. But this is why we do this, just to make sure our sliders are working without a problem.